What's up guys, my name is Andrew. I like to talk about men's health, men's grooming, men's fashion, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how to make your life more enjoyable. Let's get into it. Number one, this is a tough one. I'm gonna need you to set goals. Setting goals is gonna put your life into direction and it's gonna give your life some kind of meaning, okay? As humans, we sometimes get really confused when it comes to life, and so we need something to aim for, okay? We need some end goal. We need to have a vision and we need to be constantly working towards that. If we are not doing that, then what is the point, honestly? We need to be constantly working towards something and we need to set goals for ourselves. If we don't set goals, we're not gonna achieve those one day. I think that one of the reasons why I know a lot of depressed people and people who really just struggle with not only their mental health but their physical health and also other things, it's I think mainly because they're just not willing to set goals. In this society and full of distractions, humans have to set goals. Goals are crucial in today's society, and the bigger the goal, the higher the reward is going to be. So honestly, if you are gonna set goals, you are gonna become so much more organized and you're gonna become so much more productive as well, because now you're actually working on those goals instead of procrastinating. And because of that, it's gonna make your life more enjoyable. Number two, say hi to people. As simple as this sounds, really just saying hi to can really make someone's day. When someone comes up to you and says hi, it's highly attractive. It's not only attractive, it's super pleasant, it's super kind. I mean, maybe I'm overrating the word hi right now, but I know that a lot of people don't say hi these days anymore because they're constantly on their phones, you know, horrible posture, just being like this on their phones and typing. Yeah, that's cool, but you want to still say hi to people. I don't care how much distracted you're getting here. If you see some person, okay, if you see an older person that is from your household circle, or he lives on the same street as you do, it's one of your neighbors, you should always say hi to those. Always say hi to those people because they're older than you, and you should say hi to them immediately as you see them. And you should say hi even faster than they do because you are the younger one. Say hi to those people, and not only those ones, obviously your friends as well, but even your enemies, okay? If you have some kind of enemies, also say hi to those. You should say hi to literally everyone. Okay, maybe there might be exceptions, some toxic people, you know, who are completely rude to you and who don't respect you whatsoever. You shouldn't say hi to those ones. But I don't care, you know. You're gonna see that it's gonna make a lot of people happier and they're gonna smile at you more because actually saying hi to them is what we as humans should do. We are social creatures and we should say hi to each other. That's just how we are. Number three is to clean your room. This is a perfect habit for self-care. And I'm telling you, if you can clean your room, make it organized, and you remove all the dirt that have been on the shelves, dirt from the table, you clean your screens, tidy your floor, tidy your walls, you know, just remove the spiders from the corners, and you're gonna be much more happier, honestly, because now you have an environment, a healthy environment around yourself, which you can use to be productive, to accomplish your goals, to be a better student. I don't care what it is that you want to do or accomplish. Having a healthy environment and having a minimalistic, organized room is gonna be always better. It will always make you more productive than living in a messy household and in a messy room. Honestly, I couldn't imagine living in a messy, disorganized room. That's just not possible for me. Yeah, sometimes I might have some things on the table that are not necessarily needed, but I'm not gonna have all the clothes or all the food, you know, the crisps, I don't know, the shoes here on the floor, some food in my bed, you know, that's disgusting, honestly. So please, if you want to have more enjoyable life and be more happy overall, just clean your room, okay? It's super calming, it's attractive to other people as well, because it shows that you are an organized person. You know what you want from your life, and that you can take care of the things that are around you. That you're not only taking care of yourself, but you are actually taking care of the place that you're living in, and that is important. Clean your room, it's gonna make your life way more enjoyable. Number 4 is to stop caring what other people think about you. If you want to really accomplish your goals, if you really want to do something great, not only for the society as a whole, but if you really want to do something meaningful in your life and you want to fulfill your purpose, like, you are gonna have to not care. Like, caring about other people's opinions, what they think of your doings, it's just gonna make you look like a fool, honestly. It will make you look like a fool. So not caring about other people's opinions is fundamental here. It's crucial. I don't care how successful you might be. I don't care how unsuccessful you might be. I don't care how many people you slept with, anything like that, okay? How good your marks at schools are. If you want to accomplish your goals, you're gonna have to stop caring what other people think, what your family thinks. That is the hardest one. Fact is, your family is not gonna believe in your goals. Maybe some families will, but in my own personal household, my family doesn't really believe much in my goals. But the fact is, I don't need them to believe in it. I need myself to believe in it, because I know that the only person that I need for my goals to believe in it is myself. And that's beautiful, okay? If I really believe that I can accomplish my goals, I will. I don't need them for that. So the battle of you realizing that you can accomplish your goals and that you don't need the approval of your parents and of your family, like, that's gonna be fundamental for accomplishing your goals. Do this and you will live much more healthier, much more happier and enjoyable life. Number 5, we have compliment people more. This is basics, okay? I must be honest, I don't compliment people enough. Not to the point where I would be satisfied with it. I'm not saying I never compliment people, because I do sometimes, but I would like to compliment people more, okay? It's super attractive to compliment people on some things, maybe something that you like about them. If you like something about someone, just compliment them on that thing. No, you don't have to be the most successful guy in the world. You don't, okay? But what you have to do is to compliment people, okay? If you like maybe someone's outfit, just compliment it, okay? If you find something attractive on someone, just compliment them. You can compliment your men friends. That's not gay, honestly. If you are as a guy and you compliment some other guy on some stuff, some attractive stuff, like, that's a good thing, okay? Until it's not sexualized and you're not like flirting with them, you know, bragging them, trying to lean in and kiss them. No. Complimenting girls, if you're interested in girls, like, that's crucial, okay? Because it's an indicator that you like this person. Please, if you really want to have more enjoyable life and happy life, just compliment people more. It's not gonna only make you look better, you're gonna also feel better because you did something great for other people, you complimented them, and you're gonna be much more pleasant person to be around. Last tip of how to make your life more enjoyable is to go out to nature instead of always being on social media. This is one of the fundamentals that I had to learn lately, and one of the YouTubers on the internet really helped me realize this. But let me tell you, it's really crucial that you spend more time in nature. We are humans, okay? We've been born in nature. Nowadays, no, we are not. You know, we're born in hospitals. Maybe someone was born in their house, you know, but most of the people are born in hospitals. That doesn't have to mean that you can't spend more time outside, okay? Spending more time outside is not only beneficial for your mental health, it's gonna make you overall much more happier, because you're spending time with the animals outside, with the birds. You can hear the birds singing. You can maybe meet a cat, okay? When I was outside today in my own garden, I brought my cat with me, and she sat there on the grass while I was maybe editing a video or reading something or studying. And then a random cat, a black cat, just came up to our garden, and then my cat with this black cat, they started talking, okay? They literally started meowing on each other, and it was incredible. It was so funny to watch and perfect experience. Honestly, it was much better than the most of the videos that I watched online or most of the documents that my parents watched, honestly. I think really just spending time in nature, maybe even just studying in nature, reading in nature, is really important in today's age and in today's society, because we are so stuck up to our screens. We are so caught up with all those videos online. Everything feels like a distraction in today's world, and spending time in nature and just thinking about your life, I think that can really make you move forward in your life if you do the right things. Spending quality time in nature is fundamental, and it's gonna make your life way more enjoyable. That's all from me in today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.